Super great day, super great evening. Welcome to a new day, welcome to a new vlog. Today it is a Tuesday, and yeah, welcome. I had a wholesome day today. I had a self-care day, and I'm kind of drained. Maybe I'll speak about it during the week, but yeah, something has really disturbed me, and I'm kind of drained. But anyway, we move because so yeah. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome darling, and I hope you will love it here. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. You know how we roll. So yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Yep. Super great day. Hi guys, today is a Wednesday and I am currently undoing my hair right now. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, I have a hair appointment, and I'm thinking to myself, since yesterday I was not okay, I might as well speak about it today, because now I'm okay. It's a habit that I'm trying to cultivate. When I'm upset or angry about something, or when something is just not sitting well with me, I am currently learning not to speak about it at that moment, to avoid saying things that I'm not supposed to say. I received a comment yesterday. Someone was like, please stop yapping too much and give us you going to lunches or shopping, because what you're doing is not vlogging. So I'm thinking to myself, so what have I been doing all this time? And either way, when I'm on a layover, I do say it, that you know what guys, I'm tired, I'm not going to go out. Because I said it before and I will say it now again. A normal human being, when they travel an 8-hour journey by flying or by bus, it takes them over 2 to 3 days to recover from that. Whereas with me, after 24 hours, I need to go back to where I'm coming from, to Dubai or wherever the destination that I'm going next. Meaning, now, are you telling me that I should get on a flight, 8 hours, go and sightsee because you want me to sightsee? So now I shouldn't rest because you want me to sightsee? Like, be honest with you, it's a sense of entitlement. This is just a week in my life, me showing you the things that I do. I cannot start going on lunches because you imply that I need to go on lunch. Okay, so with what money now? Think about it. Just be realistic. If a week in your life looks the way it looks, you cannot expect mine to be extravaganza or for me to go out of my way and start spending money. Be realistic. This is just a week in my life, And I did reply to it, but again I was like, you know what? Let me not let it get into my head. As yesterday, actually, as I was scrolling through YouTube, I came across a video of a lady who was also complaining about the same thing, that people these days, they expect us to go out of our way and go do extravaganza things, that whereas themselves, they do not do them. If I say this is a week in my life, this is a week in my life. This is me on a daily basis. I'm doing my hair, getting groceries. Yeah, maybe I must try to improvise when it comes to shopping, capture everything in public spaces. As I said, that I'm still a bit shy, camera shy, with especially capturing in public. That maybe I should try to get outside the box and do it more often. But other things like instructing me to go and sightsee, I will do it when I'm able to do it. If I cannot, I'm sorry, I cannot. And yes, I will yap because this is my channel. Anyway, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. okay, we just got back. We had a new hairdo. Just got back. I'm just gonna turn around a little bit. Thank you. I ordered ocean basket. So not me actually discovering today that actually there is an ocean basket here in Dubai. But it was quite far, so yeah. So I'm gonna quickly do a review. Fries. It's all right. Vegetables. I don't know what's in here. Let's open. Oh, some sauce. Okay, I was craving hake actually, and some prawns. And this is how it looks. I mean, the taste is more or less like the one in SA, but it's not the same. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, I just came to show you guys that I bought ocean basket. Bye. Hi lovelies, welcome to a new day. Today it is a Friday and I have a turnaround flight later on, 1 a.m. to India. I went to get my stuff, my uniform at the training college earlier on and came back. Like today, I went to the gym in the morning, I didn't capture that. And I came back, slept, went to get my laundry, came back, and I took you guys with me. And then now I'm about to prepare my steak. It's my first time actually cooking this steak, and it better come out well, because if it doesn't, child, I need to cook it with potatoes, mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm gonna be having for dinner, and then I'm gonna sleep and start preparing for my flight. So, oh, the other thing, I don't think we're gonna have a vlog on Sunday, like a long vlog. I'm going to put on whatever that I've captured, and it's okay. If it's 12 minutes or whatever minutes it is, I'm just going to put it up there. Because I didn't do much this week. I just wanted to relax, you know, whatever, man. So let's do this. Hey lovies, unfortunately we have reached this week's vlog. If you have watched till this far, thank you so much. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment as well. This week in general just had hands. For me it was a bit tough for me to vlog, as I also wanted to rest and just be in my fields and take care of me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that next week will be more kinder and nicer to me, and that I'll be in a good mood. And then I'll see you guys next week. Thank you very much for watching.